Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my channel, Helping Lesson at the Red Professor. In this video lecture, I will uncover the economic institutions, economic sector, the presence, the running, the circulating of money, finance, and capital. And there are so many words which are associated in the study of economics. Anyhow, first of all, economic institution. When we see the name of institution means the proper organization, the companies, the entities which are attached to the respective field. And now the economic institution means those are institution or organization which work under the private and public sector both. Private sector mean the people holding sectors, the people property sectors, and public sector mean the government authorized or government control sectors. Anyhow, in this way, there are so many economic institutions in any country or in any society, uh, which are also called economic firm. The companies, the multinational companies, the government holds. The government entities which are attached to the economic services institutions, etc. So the sectors are so important in this way. There are three major sectors which are responsible to run these sort of institution for the economic field. These sectors are agro sectors, which mean also the agriculture sector, which consists of half dozen fields of work. These are when we see the crops cultivation and production, um, the fishery, fish farming, forest also attached for in case of agro sector, like this, the poultry sector and the livestock sector. These are subsectors which underwork the agro sector. Along this, the second one is industrial and manufacturing sector. In this way, industry doesn't mean the covering area where the objects and items are to be made. Industry means those sort of entities which produce the capital and finance. But at here, the manufacturing attachment for the meaning of factories, it is so important. So, in this way, the all sort of manufacturing level items are attached with the industrial sector. Third one is services. Services means after the agro and the manufacturing sector, the services, the employees, the government servants, the public servant, and the civil servant, even starting from a small vendor to the multinational company, the transportation, the communication, the goods loading, unloading, all sort of these activities attached to the services. Now the government employee is also associated with the service sector. Like this, when we take the name of shop, commercial marketing, shopping malls, and where the goods, the items are to be sold for purchasing, for buying, for selling, all these practices, all these activities are included in the service sector. So economic institution are dozens of institution. The person property institution, from the person property institution to the government high scale level institution. All these are the institutions which perform their work for the economy. uh, but the sectors are very important to whole story, and I mentioned there are three sectors: agro sector, industrial or manufacturing sector, and the third one is services sectors. These sectors cover and build up the economic institutions for the country economic scenario. Thank you very much. Subscribe.